Alright, we got our tent set up. Nando's tent. REI 2 person.
Oh no.
My tent. REI 1 person. Drew's tent. Drew's way over there because I snore. So he's staying away from me.
Yeah,
sorry Nando, you're gonna suffer.
You know, I even called the distance spot, but Drew beat me to it. So.
And Drew, REI 2 person tent. Okay, let's go back out and check our pots, do some fishing.
Crab time.
If we catch enough crab, we might come back and eat crab for lunch too.
What's the prediction? Crab numbers.
Crab number prediction. I'm gonna say I'm gonna work all day and catch 3.
Catch 3.
Yeah, that's my prediction.
I'm gonna say we have 3 each after this pool.
Oh, that would be awesome. Then we can eat crab for lunch and crab for dinner. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Moon Outdoors. Today is a very exciting day because we are in Tomales Bay for Dispersed kayak camping. What I like to call kayak packing. Dispersed camping is where you camp at non-designated campsite and or where there are no facilities like toilet, trash bin, potable water, table, fire pit and such. You basically pack in everything you need, including the whack bag, aka the poop bag, and pack out everything, following the leave no trace principle. You can purchase a permit online to disperse camp at Tomales Bay, and they issue a certain number of permits each day for obvious reasons. We first dropped our pots, then we scouted for a nice beach to set up camp. After scouting 2 other beaches, we decided to camp at the spot you just saw. Okay, I'm approaching my pots. It's been in there for about an hour and a half. Okay, let's see. What? You caught a crab? Yeah. Nando caught a crab on his rod. Let's see. Feels pretty light. Maybe I'm just getting stronger as I age. Okay, we got a lot of crab, but none of them is keeper. We got some red ones. We got some rock crab. Look at that, a lot of crab. But no, this one is a maybe. I'm gonna keep that red one. Okay, no keeper here. Move this guy elsewhere.
Crazy rock crab here, man.
Yeah, you'll get rock crab here. Don't you mix into it?
Well, I should keep a couple.
Yeah, if it's a good size, keep it. We'll eat it for lunch. Okay, second pot. Alright. So we got this dungy right here with no claw. Poor guy. It's a legal size, but I'm gonna let him go. Or should I? Yeah, this is about 6.5, but no claw. Should I let him go, or should I put him out of misery? Oh boy, lots of crab. Oh, rock crab. Whew. We got a dungy 6 inches. Keeper. So look at this dungey. This one and the other one too. It's yellowish. I don't know what's going on. The rock crab the Nando got is much bigger than mine.
Rock crab king.
So we're gonna murder this rock crab. So we're gonna spike them. You guys know how I like to spike rockfish and lingcod, but right there, they're dead. Painless, instant kill. So right there. Dead. Open it up. Get rid of the lung. And all that. The butter, I don't like them.
No butter.
I know people like them. I don't like them. Get rid of the butter. A little bit of water, please.
Oh, nah.
Okay, water, rinse it up, please. Okay. One down. The rock crab is getting steamed nicely. The rock crab is all done. Right there, the claw. Actually, pretty good. How's your crab?
It's good, yeah.
You good?
Yeah, yeah.
And we're gonna make some ramen noodles. Alright, this is gonna be the last pool. We already secured 3 dungeons for dinner. We actually don't need any more unless we want to take it home. And we ate some rock crab for lunch and it was delicious. Man, maybe because we were hungry, but man, it was good. So earlier I got 2 dungy and Drew was able to get 1 dungy. So we are covered for dinner. Alright, as expected, bunch of rock crabs. Bunch of rock crabs. Okay, these all. On the rock crab, this is the place to be. So many legal sized rock crab. Ah. Okay, that's it for crabbing. We're gonna troll the way back to the camp, and I'm gonna relax for a little bit and make the spicy crab stew. Alright, we're making spicy crab stew. In the pot, we got about 4 cups of water. We're gonna make 3 Dungeness. First ingredient is gonna be fermented bean paste. This is a Korean fermented bean paste. We got 2 tablespoons. And we got 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. And we got about 4 ounces of Korean radish, bite size. We're gonna put that in there. And we're gonna boil this, because the radish takes a long time to fully cook, like transparent cook. So, but the crab doesn't. You don't want to overcook the crab. So we're gonna bring this to a boil, and we're gonna boil it for about 20 minutes, and then put the rest of the ingredients in there, including the crab, and then boil it for another 15 minutes, and we are done. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredient. We got about half of large onion. We got about 4 ounces of squash. You can use any kind of squash that you like. This is a zucchini. We got 2 green onions. We got 1 Korean green chili pepper. We got 4 cloves of large garlic. And there's pretty much all the ingredient except for the red chili pepper, which I'm gonna sprinkle it on top when everything is done. And we got 3 Dungeness crab right in there. So the Dungeness crab typically takes about 15 minutes to cook. Doesn't matter if you're boiling it, if you're steaming it, 15 minutes it is a good time. So I'm gonna bring it to boil and then boil it for 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes.
You want to split this with Lindo?
So Drew just made some Philly cheesesteak. Oh wow, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hot. So good. Alright, that is it right there. And on this, I'm gonna sprinkle some red chili flakes.
Somewhat.
Alright, so we got rice, we got beef stew, we got chicken alfredo, spicy crab stew, and Philly cheesesteak. Oh man. Man, Philly cheesesteak is really good.
Thanks, man.
I might request it next time.
Might request it next time? Okay.
Yeah, oh man.
Yeah.
Everything's so good.
Nice reward after a day of bullshit.
Man,
Pulling up small crabs.
you was tough crabbing, tough fishing. I don't like halibut fishing in T-Bay because I have to deal with the eelgrass. I hate it. That's why I never really fish with halibut.
Why'd you invite me here again?
Kayak packing. Right? This is nice, right?
This is great.
Yeah.
It's not all about catching fish.
Morning, Nando.
That was a good one.
Morning, Drew. Morning, guys. It's after 9. We slept in. I slept great. It was actually pretty warm last night. It was like in low 50s, so it was really warm with my sleeping bag and sleeping pad. So I recently upgraded my sleep system. This is Sierra Designs zipperless down sleeping bag. I was actually looking at a down quilt, but people say this is really good for side sleepers, so I got this to try it out, and so far so good. And the sleeping pad, you get the air core insulated from Big Agnes. So much better than my old sleeping pad, which is self-inflating sleeping pad from Tomales. So much better. It's got more than 3 inches of thickness, so very comfortable. And this guy right here, inflatable pillow from Trekology, Trekology Deluxe. I never really liked the inflatable pillows, but this guy seems to be okay. So this is the view from our camp. That's our neighbor campers, about 100 yards away. And right there is the Hog Island, and straight across is the boat launch.
We really had a great time. Even though the fishing and crabbing was slow, we caught enough crab for lunch and dinner. I'm really enjoying these kayak packing trips. I plan to do many more in the future, along with backpacking trips as well. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and go outside and enjoy the outdoors.